This is Homelink 11-4, Spinners for Grade 3 Everyday Math. To study probability, help your child design a spinner that meets the conditions in Part 1 below. Then help your child design another spinner by dividing the circle into parts, wedges, and then coloring the parts. Work with someone at home to make 2 spinners. Number 1, use blue, red, yellow, and green crayons or coloring pencils on the first spinner. Color the spinner so that all of the following are true. When spun around a pencil point in the center of a circle, a paper clip, so we have to make it so that this is all true, is very likely to land on red, has the same chance of landing on yellow as on green, and may land on blue, but is very unlikely to land on blue. So this is how we can do this. We know that around this circle there are 24 hash marks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 24 spaces, I'm sorry. 9, 10, 11, 12. See, half of it will give us 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So we can use these numbers to help us because we're going to essentially split up 24. We're going to put together 24 parts. We're going to split it up so that it all equals 24. The most of those parts, see, very likely to land on red. So most of those parts are going to be red. So before I even put any color on this paper, I want to figure out how many parts are going to be red. So if I want it to be very likely to land on red, let's say I make 12 of those parts red. That's going to be whole half of it. Okay, so I'm not going to color it yet. I'm just going to get a picture in my mind. 12 equals red. Okay, so let's say this side is red. You can even label it if you want with your pencil, so you could go back and change it later if you needed to. And then I need something that has the same chance of landing on yellow as on green. So the rest of this I have to split up between yellow, green, and blue. But blue I know I only need a teeny bit. So I have 12 to split up between yellow, green, and blue. And yellow and green have to have the same number. So if I make yellow and green each 5, so 5 for yellow and 5 for green. Let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for yellow. And I can draw it right up here. And then we'll make 5 for green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That leaves 2 left over for blue.